Meaning of hooves.
hooves,
Hooves.
hooves,
Hooves. Hooves are the hard and horny part of the feet of certain animals, especially horses, cows, and deer. They serve as a protective covering for the sensitive tissue underneath and aid in movement across various terrains. The hooves of these animals are composed of keratin, a tough protein material that provides strength and durability. The shape and size of the hooves can vary based on the animal's natural habitat and physical characteristics. They require regular maintenance and care to prevent issues such as cracking and infection. Overall, hooves are a crucial part of an animal's anatomy for their survival and well-being.